if you're not. And yes, so today is another hair tutorial, except it's not my hair that we're doing, it is my son's hair that we are doing. So in this video, it's pretty much the same thing on both of their hair, it's just different colors. So I just combined them into one video. So it is hopefully going to be a little short kind of video, yeah. So the first one you will see is my son Blake, and you will see his hair, and then you'll see my son Ty and his hair and how I put it on, what I used, and then we'll see the final result at the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Stick around and see how their hair turned out. I thought this was a fun kind of summer way. They had been begging me to dye their hair, so I was like, yes, let's do it. It's summertime, why not? So yeah, so hope you guys like it. Here we go. So here is the first child that we are coloring his hair. This is Blake. So we decided to do orange and purple. Of course, all the colors used are Arctic Fox. We have Sunset Orange for the orange portion. And then for the top of it, we used Purple Rain with a little mixture of the Poseidon, the blue, into it to make it like an ultraviolet kind of color. And I did dilute it with a white conditioner, even though I didn't show you. So next I just pin up the top of his hair so we can start on the bottom. So here is the bottom portion. We're doing the whole bottom half of his head in the Sunset Orange. Now that we're all done, I pin it up, put a bag on his head, and wait about 45 minutes. Now on to the next child. Alright guys, this is Mr. Ty. He is 7 years old and ready to have his hair colored. Again, of course, all colors are Arctic Fox. First we're going to show you the colors. We have Purple Rain. He did the purple on top as well. So we have the Purple Rain mixed with a little bit of the Poseidon to get that ultraviolet kind of color. And then for the bottom of his hair, we have the Aquamarine. Again, mixed a little bit with a white conditioner. There is the blue color, and that is the conditioner. Let's go. can wait another 45 minutes, put a bag on his head, and we will see you with the final results. Here here is Blake's final result. I think you can tell he is pretty happy. I'm happy with the results. It looks really freaking good. And I didn't even realize it until just now that it matches mine. We have the same hair color. Pretty cool. And next up we have Ty's final results. His blue and purple hair color really reminds me of the Charlotte Hornets. Yeah, so anyways, it looks really good. I'm really happy with the results of both of these haircuts. So yes, I think that everyone's happy in the situation. Yeah, so hope you like it too. Alrighty, so that is the end of our video for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked their hair as much as I do. I think it turned out really good. So yeah, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up in support of coloring kids' hair. If you like bright color hair and you know all that fun stuff, like the video. And also subscribe for more awesome videos because you never know what I'm gonna post. And I will see you on my next one. Bye!